Have you ever met someone who simply cannot stop talking about themselves? Or someone who constantly needs validation and attention? Chances are, you have encountered a narcissist. They are known for their inflated sense of self-importance and lack of empathy for others. But did you know that narcissism can actually be genetic? Yes, you heard that right. While there are certainly environmental factors that can contribute to the development of narcissism, such as upbringing and societal influences, research has shown that there is a significant genetic component as well. To understand this better, let's first define what narcissism is. It is a personality trait characterized by selfishness, arrogance, and a strong need for admiration and attention. People with narcissistic traits often have an exaggerated sense of self-importance and believe they are special and better than others. Now, let's dive into the nature part of this debate. Studies have shown that there is a strong genetic influence on personality traits, including narcissism. In fact, a study from 2015 found that genetic factors explain up to 64% the variability in narcissistic traits. This means that a person's genetic makeup plays a significant role in their tendency towards narcissism. But what about nurture? Can't upbringing and environment shape a person's personality? Too, absolutely. However, research has shown that even when environmental factors are controlled for, there is still a strong genetic component to narcissism. This means that even if a person is raised in a nurturing and empathetic environment, their genetic predisposition towards narcissism can still surface. So, what genes are responsible for narcissistic traits? Studies have identified the oxytocin receptor gene and the dopamine receptor genes, potentially influencing the development of narcissism. These genes are involved in regulating social behavior, reward and reinforcement, and decision-making, all of which are key factors in the development of narcissistic traits. But it's not just genetics at play here. Some experts argue that narcissism could also stem from a combination of both genetic and environmental factors. For example, a child with a genetic predisposition towards narcissism may develop the traits if they are constantly praised and rewarded for their achievements, without being taught humility and empathy. In conclusion, while nurture certainly plays a role in the development of narcissism, research has shown that there is a strong genetic component as well. So, the next time you come across a narcissist, remember that it may just be in their DNA. Thank you for listening.